Okay, I want to explain to you, as mentioned in the writing in Conceptuality 10, why this construction, even though it's all, it's a structure, it's obviously a structure, why is it purely conceptual and cannot really exist in some sense of reality, so that you might call it even subconscious reality. Now, the reason is that we know by the Pythagorean theorem that if this is 1, then these have to be 0.5. The square of something has to be 0.5, so each. So the square root of 0.5 is 0.707106781, right? Well, which is fine, and there it is. We're looking at it. It's reality. But how do you get that measurement? We don't measure anything in pure conceptuality. It has to be self-creating. So there's no way that we can get this dimension in order to fill out this cube. In fact, that cube is this tetrahedron here on the face of the tetrahedron that creates the cube is a 1/8 octahedron. Let's see how we can see that best. So that if we had if these continued on here, we would have the XYZ axis. But since we don't have the rest of the octahedron, we can't get the XYZ axis. We don't have any reference to get it. So, and then, of course, this octahedron goes on every corner with the same problem, right? So, even though this is conceptually imaginable, it isn't manifestable with independent of the matrix. And so that's a kind of a modeling for the idea of subconscious. It's there, but it can't be brought to consciousness without some other kind of connection. Okay?